Hello, it's Karen Burniston here with an assembly video for one of my die sets. This is die number 1034, which is Word Set 5 Royalty. And you can check out all of my designs at karenburniston.com. The idea of this set is a mix and match type of set so that you can make different phrases. And the die set itself includes 10 individual dies, 4 of which are those large script word dies with the titles. So that would be King, Queen, Knight, Princess. Then if you need Prince, just cut off the 2 S's off of Princess. So you have all those great large script title dies, but then you also have this die which does the very generic fishtail banner, and if you just cut it you'll get a solid fishtail banner. But then you also have the option to nest in the phrases to be able to complete those greetings. So you have some choices here. There's 5 different ones, and you can even combine like the my and the little, so you can do different things. But let's say that I wanted to do Little Prince. Then I would just take the word little and I could place it anywhere along that fishtail banner. I'll put it on the left so I can put Prince on the right, and I'll just use temporary tape to hold that inside the banner die. You can use any die cutting machine that can accommodate a wafer thin die. I am using a Sizzix Big Shot today. Now all of these block letter titles are designed as knockout dies. So what I mean by that is you're actually going to remove the individual letters, leaving the word in the banner to be a knockout word. So it's the negative space of the word that you view versus the positive, which is not to say you couldn't use the positive letters. You can see I'm popping out the L-I-T-T-L-E, and those are positive letters that you could use. In fact, you could create your own words with those. But the idea of this set is that it's quick and easy. You just place the word die in the banner wherever you would like it, then it's already perfectly spaced. It's the negative space that creates the word. So after gluing on the word Prince, I could just place that directly on my project, and whatever color of the project will shine through the word little, or if I want to make sure that I know what color is going to be in there, I can always back it with a solid banner. Now when I made this packaging sample, I had used Word Set 5 to make Knight for a Day. And in this case I needed to actually trim the length of the banner down a little bit to fit the width of the accordion, but you can see it's just that light blue label shining through the words for a day, and that's what creates the color. And then I saw that word day in the positives sitting on the table, and I thought, oh, can I make birthday using the positive letters from this set? And actually I could. The only letter I didn't have was H. There wasn't an H in any of the knockouts, but an H is really easy to make. So I just used the I from It's Good to Be, and then the F from For a Day, and just trimmed off the top part of the F, and then I had all the parts I needed to make that H. And the other parts of birthday I actually just had in the set. So you can always use the positive pieces as well if you want to create different words. Let me show you just a couple of ideas by the incredibly talented design team. Fran Sabad made these gorgeous gift boxes with matching tags. So she made one for my princess, and then she made one for my knight. And you'll notice that she did use the positive letters to spell out my. Kelly Booth used Queen for a Day from Word Set 5 for the greeting inside this card. She used the new coffee cup pop-up, which actually has slots on the back to hold a standard size gift card. And you can watch a video on that die as well. And then this card by Helen Cryer is just so pretty. She's got the castle pop-up, the princess, and then she's used Word Set 5 to spell out Princess for a Day. You'll find Word Set 5 available starting February 2018 at your favorite local and online retailers and karenburniston.com. If you click on the website link, you'll go to karenburniston.com, where you can find out information about purchasing these dies, as well as links to all my other social media accounts. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel and check out some of my other videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.